Alright guys, welcome back. This is Jay again from the Crypto Arc, and I'm gonna update you on one of my favorite projects right now, which is Jesus. But before I get started on that, I just want to say that this is not a financial advice video. Alright, I'm just doing this for entertainment purposes only. But I am gonna give you some very good details about what's happening in the market. Alright, so let's get started. Oh whoops. Alright, let's get started with this Stoic quote. It's not in our control to have everything turn out exactly as we want, but it is in our control to control how we respond to what happens. So I don't know what that means to you, but like, yeah. All right, so let's get to the indicators first. So if you're new to the market, the 10-year yield is something to pay attention to because it's like one of the benchmarks for traders. And right now we are trading the market, right? That's what I'm showing you what I'm doing and what you could also do. But remember, this is not a financial advice video. When it comes to crypto, especially around this time, there is a lot of risk involved. And I do foresee the market, taking a pullback towards the end of the year. And wherever I'll talk more about that later. But anyways, oh, what the fuck? Man, my laptop is getting slow again. It's quite annoying. But anyways, the 10-year yield has been going down for the past couple of days, which is pretty good for the stock market because that usually means money will move towards certain assets, right? Like also commodities. Another indicator to pay attention to is holy shit. What the fuck? Okay, this is supposed to be the dollar index and it has been going down as well. I don't know why it's being such a bitch. Right? Fucking annoying. Well, whatever. All right, it's going down. Crude oil price has been going up. All right, so bad economic news usually brings it up. So for it to go up like this, they got to do something in the geopolitical event for it to go up. So there could be more shit happening in the Middle East. What it is, I don't know. Latest thing I saw was that they now have found evidence that it was, Israel themselves that did the shooting of what do they call that? Some event happened, some music festival event, and they blamed it on the other party. But anyways, they're now saying, oh, it was actually Israel doing it to themselves. But that's that. Look, people are gonna die all across the world. That happens on a yearly basis, right? So if the media is trying to like put your attention towards they're doing it for a reason. Okay. All right. So other news that's happening that is I'm not sure if it's like going to affect the market, but they do these things to like make sense of what's happening in the stock market. So this guy apparently is now the Javier Milei. I don't know if I pronounced that right. He is now the president of Argentina, and he's very pro Bitcoin. But one thing you have to realize about this guy is that he is also part of the World Economic Forum. These guys are basically like the bad guys in a James Bond movie, right? The World Economic Forum, and they are pretty much in control of a lot of political leaders, right? But in terms of their ranking on top of central banks, I think central banks are above them still. I'm not entirely sure on that, but you can do your own research. Just use whatever I give you as a lead, and then you do your research from there to verify it yourself. All right, and here's a tweet about Argentinian people ditching their pesos because it's so devalued. Now, them dollarizing, I'm not sure because the US dollar itself, well, it could be their own dollar. I don't know. Because there is US dollar, Canadian dollar. I think Australia has their own dollar as well, or it could be called something else. But, anyways, every single country in the world is trying to devalue their fiat currency, which is why there's just like printing endless amounts of money. So that way we can move into a newer system, which is the crypto system or blockchain, where they can do their CBDC stuff, right? So let's get to the actual token itself. Jesus community. So monthly status is 400,000 impressions. All right. So every single time an impression is shown in the minds of the masses, is going to be put in their subconscious mind, and slowly they're going to get into this meme coin or Jesus token, right? Um, 6,500 space listeners. So yeah, they do daily church, crypto church in Twitter with Jesus token. And so far they've hit 6,500. And that's pretty good because a couple months ago when I first started getting into Jesus, it wasn't that big. Actually, the whole crypto church didn't even exist yet. It was brought to be because someone suggested it. And I was one of the first 1,000 holders as well. Now it's grown to almost 7,000. So, and we just got started with a bull market. There's gonna be ups and downs. There's gonna be I foresee two pullbacks on our way to the Bitcoin halving. But regardless of that, we are in the bull market, right? The lowest that we were at was the summer of this year. Now let's get to the actual chart. Holy shit! Holy shit! I need a new laptop. Oh shit! Now you guys can see what I'm looking at. Yo, this is annoying. Oh my god, the lag is killing me. What the hell? Alright, let me just zoom out a bit so that way I can give you guys an overview as to what's happening. Alright. Oh, holy shit. Yeah, my viewers are gonna be annoyed looking at this. But whatever. Perseverance, guys. Talking about Jesus here, right? Okay, so this top of the red line right here, I was using the Fibonacci sequence, and let's see, it was around October or so that it started pumping, and the height of that was basically the top of this line. And what the Jesus market has done has basically gone over that line, right? And then it made a correction. People will always take profits, all right? People taking profits is good because then what that will do is that if the project is still solid, which it is, people will form a new floor. And right now, it looks like it has consolidated a little bit over that previous line, the previous highs of October. Right, we did dip down a bit temporarily, and then we went back up. And then going towards next month, which is the 80% burn of the tokens that are not even in circulation, I can foresee major flood of degenerates just putting their money into Jesus. All right. So, in my honest opinion, it would be a good opportunity now to get into this. But remember, this is not financial advice. Okay, I'm just doing it for entertainment purposes only. And then, yeah, maybe I don't know, leaving it mid-December and then moving back in again. But that's just what I think. Right. Anyways, that's it for the Jesus token project. Also, guys, if you have stayed this long, I am what do you call it? Doing a free giveaway for this shirt right here. See a Bitcoin, and you see the red bull over here, and you see a red bear. Because when it comes to the market, there's always a bull market and there's a bear market that follows right after that, right? And of course, it goes into a cycle. So right now we are in a bull market, and yeah, if you know anyone that's a Bitcoin maxi, tell them about this. I will put the link in the description below, as well as in the comments. All right. So there's multiple ways for you to enter. You can subscribe to my newsletter. You can also enter using Twitter, tweet about it, so that way more people know about it. And yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna have more contests and giveaways because I do have a lineup of merch that's ready to be deployed as well. But I'm starting with this one because I see this one as I just like it. All right, I just like the design. Anyways, that's all I got for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this, and I do apologize for the lag that's happening in between. I do gotta fix this laptop. Anyways, yeah, that's all I got.